so I'm going to call it good. 600, but that's best you can do is on these. I really can't complain. That one cylinder's working good again. Now we got some activity in there. I think we're good. Well, I think we got her. Still hunts a little bit on idle. I replaced a map sensor here a while back. And it's one off an old truck. Although it runs, I've never been thrilled about that thing. There it is. Back on the road again, I guess. Settle down in idle. That's not bad. Still hear that ticking. I can't figure out what it is. As regular as it is, it's still, I think it's ignition, but I just can't trace it down. Tried everything. Switched out wires, you name it.